In 1880, pioneers who belonged to the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints settled the town of Chesterfield, Idaho. It's located in the historic Portneuf Valley along the Old Oregon Trail. Today, descendants of those settlers are working to keep the memory of their sacrifices alive by preserving the town of Chesterfield.
100 years after it was founded, the families got together and said, we cannot let this town die. The Chesterfield Foundation was formed. We purchased 162 acres of the heart of Chesterfield, the hilltop virtually, with 26 buildings, and 20 have been restored at this time.